We come to the elevator at the Sibley's Service Center parking garage in Fantech City. The main building has a parking garage, but I guess they built this garage because they needed more parking. Otis Lexon. Not sure if this is modernized or not. I guess we're about to find out. Ooh, it's here. No chime. Ooh, look at this. The original fixtures. Still an Otis Lexon. Wait, what? Dover Buzz? ThyssenKrupp got a little bit of this elevator. Is the call button changed on the outside? Yes, actually it is. That's a ThyssenKrupp call button. Doesn't light up though. Alright, that's just a slight partial slap on by ThyssenKrupp, but they kept almost everything original. Let's go up to upper level. Upper parking and UL. So yeah, that's why it has the Dover Buzz. And that's it.